Hey YouTube. Well, hello folks. Today is, not a backwards video, because everything backwards, but here you go folks. This is the tractor review. I'm gonna redo it since the video it was backwards, so here you go. There's all the tractors I currently have, and talk about them. Here you go. These are Hot Wheels right here. Those are Hot Wheels. This is the Alice Chalmers D19. This is from, I believe, I'm actually going to get these all together. All the tractors I think are from Tractor Supply. I'm going to put them right here. These are all the ones I got from Tractor Supply. All of those I got from Tractor Supply. So, yeah. Those are the cool ones, because I got them from Tractor Supply. This one right here, Oliver 7-year crop, got at the Grease Demon Rush. Some nice guy gave it to me, and I opened it up, and this is what I have. Well, the front of it's not there anymore. I might have to put a new sticker on there, but I know it's an Oliver. This is a Farm All with the John Deere trailer. I got at Tuckahoe 2019. This one I got at Blaine Show in 2017, as well as this lawnmower. So yeah, so those both I got. I think these I got for birthday or Christmas. I don't remember. This one I totally don't remember. It's a Case House International 7130. The sticker's not really there no more. This is a Case 370 Magnum. This is just an International. This I think I got at a bookstore, I'm pretty sure. Got this at a bookstore. This, I think I got this at Ross, I believe. This one I got Tuckahoe 2021 show. This one I got at the Keystone Tractor Museum. This is where I got this one. There is no steering wheel. Lost the steering wheel. This is an FFA one. It's sponsored. These two I got at the Nittany 2021 show. This one I think I got for Christmas one year. I'm pretty sure I got for Christmas one year. This one I got at a Tuckahoe show, as well as this. I used to have two tractors. This used to have a tractor, but I don't know what happened. I must have gave away that tractor. These two are Gators. Not sure where I got them from. This John Deere truck, I'm not sure where I got that from either, but it's nice to have it. This I think I got out of a set from Walmart or something. This I got from a train show down there in Delaware. I got this at. I think this John Deere I also got at Tractor Supply, so this is another one I got at Tractor Supply. Legos are in it. Yeah, that's the trailer. There used to be a thing on it, but I lost it, so I'm gonna have to remake another one part for it. And then the backer's missing a part, so I'm gonna have to remake that part too. I think I remember what it looked like. Pretty sure I did. So yeah. This one I'm not sure where I got either. I'm pretty sure I'm not sure where I got that one from. This one I got for Christmas last year. 2021 Christmas. So this is the newest one I have right now. This one I got Williams Grove 2021. I don't think I'm ever going there again unless I go there one year again. Which, okay. These are all from a farm set, so I'm gonna get them all lined up. So just give me a few minutes. Bear with me. I do. This is a lot of tractors I got from a farm set, so beware with that. These are a lot of them. Here's all the ones I got from a farm set. I used to have a barn with it, but I got rid of the barn, I think. So I don't have it no more. This used to have horses in it, This used to be a horse thing, which I don't want the horses anymore, unfortunately. So, yeah, that sucks. I don't have the horses with it anymore. So, yeah, that's a huge bummer. I don't want the horses with it anymore, but, yeah. Okay, more tractors I'm gonna go through. More. Just more. Just more to the collection today. Okay, these are the tractors. I don't know where I got them from. I'm not sure. I don't know. No, this one is got from Berryville one year. I used to have a International that had 2 wheels that went with this. I don't know where it is now. I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, that's an unfortunate thing also. Okay, this Gator, I'm not sure about. It used to make sounds, but fortunately the batteries are dead, so it doesn't make sounds anymore. Now this is a thing. I might have to turn it on so you guys can hear it. Okay. There we go. So let's put the camera so where you can see it. It works. There you go, folks. That's it. Well, shut this off. Well, as a tubers, well, not yet, because I do have some more things I want to show you guys. These are my Legos. Just give me a minute, bear with me. That one is broken, pieces broken off the Legos. So, okay, here's all my Legos. This is an 1889 Frick Eclipse. This is an Avery. This is a Huber. This is a case. This is a Huber. Mini Huber. This is a steam lawnmower. This is a Frick 1889. This is this is a dynameter. This is a sawmill. I'm gonna call it Frick sawmill. This is a Baker fan. And this is the sled. Steam pull sled. And that is it. No, that's not it yet. I'll say it's it, but that's not it. Because I have to review. Say no, it's not it. Now I said it. So yeah. As you can probably hear right now, I'm cleaning up my animals because okay, let's get these out. Well, not exactly yet. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with this piece? Well, that's as close as it can get. Let me get these out of the way. These shouldn't be here, so I'm gonna get these out of the way. Sorry about that, tubers, but yeah. Always something up. I mean, YouTubers. Okay. Well, this is the last of all the stuff. Not yet. Because I am doing part 2, guys. Just give me a minute. Well, doesn't look good right now. This piece. Well, look, this is all the Legos. I'm gonna get them in the light. There you go. That's all of them. That's all of them. That's all my Legos. One's underneath there, but that's it. Not yet, because I still got stuff to show, so Just give me a minute and I'll be right back. Because I'm going to put all these things away, these Legos away. Well, tubers, okay, got another John Deere thing I want to showcase. Call it done. This is a John Deere little train. I used to have it set, but I used to have that. Like, still got plenty of things to show here, guys. These are related things to the. This is a John Deere photo. These are photos here. I do have a John Deere thing over here. That. There's the John Deere big thing. There you go. That's all you're gonna see there. Okay. Now let's go on to the rest of the review. Get these controllers put over here, just so I can get through here and show you guys the stuff that I didn't show yet. Okay, now this is the box that I had. That was with the John Deere thing. I still have the box, and it's still in great shape, other than half of the box, which is, I have the box. Okay, here's all my John Deere stuff I want to show. This is the one I got. Okay, these are all the magazines. I'm not going through the magazines, unfortunately. If you wanted me to, I would, but it's too long for the video, so I'm not going to go through them. But what I am going through is the album. The Steam and Gas Show album. That's what I'm going through. It was a muddy show. Yeah, just beware. These photos are not the best, but I tried to get them. At least give me credit for trying to get these. I haven't been to Berryville show in a long time. That tractor right there goes to the Apple Blossom, but didn't go this year, unfortunately. Didn't really get much tractors from the Shenandoah Valley Steam and Gas Association. We're supposed to, probably, but since the truck pulled, none of the tractors came. Where's this photo at? I've been a backwards photo. This is a Case engine. Looks like that's an old tractor. Nice are these photos. I'm glad I took them at the show. This is the Cumberland Valley Antique Engine and Machinery Association. I haven't been there in years, it seems like, but this is the Eastern Shore show I went to. I think that was the same year. That's me. Hopefully you guys, like I said, enjoyed these review. I'm redoing them. They're asking why, maybe. It's just because of the backwards content I got. Oops. Sorry. There you go. There you go. It's not done yet, though. Show wasn't over until the end, which I didn't get Vader's one, but would